welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So today I have a really exciting try on haul for you guys. I know you guys love when I talk through all of my outfits and like the different things that I'm wearing and trying on. But today's video I am showing you an Australian brand called BeginningBoutique, and I recently have been crazy obsessed with all of these Australian fashion brands on Instagram that I've like discovered because it has such a similar vibe to like the natural California, Southern Cali girl that I am. I grew up in Los Angeles and I hate like stereotyping myself, but I love all things beachy. I love all things acai bowl, you know, denim and frilly dresses, and like that's just me in the summer. My natural California girl just like comes out, and I just felt like BeginningBoutique is super fun and it has like such a similar aesthetic as I do when it comes to like my summer wardrobe. So I thought that I would show you guys some of the pieces that I picked out from BeginningBoutique. They did want to send me all of these items, which I am really grateful for, but I just wanted to show you guys the different pieces that I picked out, and I wanted to show you how they fit and everything. So if you guys are interested, make sure you keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you guys at the end of this video. Okay, so here we are at the first piece, and this dress, you guys, fits like a glove. I can't express how much I'm obsessed with this dress, so I actually think I might wear this for my birthday when it comes up in the summer. This dress is just like this almost spandex-like material. It's really comfortable. It's not super like, you know, sheer or anything. It's got this gorgeous ruching detail on the side. Let me just tuck this in here. It's got this ruching detail on the side with a little bow on the side to make you look like you've just got more curves, and it really flattens out your stomach when it does that. I have a huge gnarly bruise on my thigh, and yes, I'm wearing shorts, so I'm just gonna cover that up. I fell in the shower, if you guys wanted to know. And then it's just got this really gorgeous like piece that goes across the top. I literally can't tell you guys how much I love this dress. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna leave all the sizes down below in the description. I think I could have gone down a size, but I'm glad I didn't, because I think when I wear a bra, like I'm not wearing one now, but when I do, it'll fill it up really well. And then as for shoes, I'm just wearing these clear Zara heels from Zara, obviously. But doesn't it just give me so much body? I feel like a dress like this just looks so good in the summer with a tan, and I just absolutely cannot wait to wear it during my birthday. Oh my gosh, I'm just like so in love with this dress. I can't stop staring at like the angles, you know what I mean? Like it's just got all the angles and it just makes you look really good, and I'm so excited with this first piece. I love it so much. So here is the next outfit. This is exactly what I imagined when I saw this top. I just thought, how cute is a satin crop top with a satin skirt? This skirt is by Forever 21 and the shoes are the same. I did purchase the satin top in a size too big, but it's nothing that a little alteration can't fix, so I'm super happy with the color. It's so neutral and it goes so well with any of my other like pieces. I'm gonna show you guys in a second how to style it with jeans. I'm just pairing that with the backpack that I also got from BeginningBoutique. You can wear this backpack just as like a regular backpack with the straps, or you can wear the backpack like this with the top handle just kind of like holding it, and I think that's super cute. So I just think this is such a little cute look for the summer. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I do like post all of my outfits and stuff on Instagram, so you'll see all these pieces kind of styled up differently and in like different locations and stuff like that. So definitely come follow me on Instagram. Here's the next outfit. So here's the same top with a pair of classic just straight leg raw hem jeans. The backpack also stayed the same. These jeans are by Zara. The belt is also by BeginningBoutique, and I just thought this was the cutest little like leopard printed belt. I've been looking for a really like actually leopard looking belt, and this one has like actual like hair on it, which is kind of cute. And then the top again is the same, and then I just paired it with some gorgeous red heels. You can obviously just pair this with like a cute pair of sneakers and call it a day and make it like really casual, but for me, I love just dressing up like my denim with heels. You guys all know this, and I think it gives like a really cute summer look. Personally, one of my favorite things to wear in the summer is like really light wash denim, and overalls to me always scream like spring, summertime, and I'm just wearing them with a pair of slides from Forever 21. I'm also pairing it with this gorgeous belt bag from Joseph and Stacy. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, this outfit looks like without the belt bag, and then I'm just actually wearing a swimsuit one piece underneath, but I'm just wearing it like it's a bodysuit today. The fit of these overalls are amazing. Like, they are so comfortable, and the denim is super light. This looks really cute with tank tops on underneath it, but you can also wear this as if it's like jeans and just throw a sweater over. And then here's what the overalls look like without the belt. Again, because it's my first time getting anything from Beginning Boutique, I wanted to make sure I was sizing up versus down because I wanted them to all fit. Personally, I sized up in all of the outfits and all the clothes, but I actually really like the way that this is super relaxed and how like really just like effortless this looks. And this last piece is definitely one of my favorites of the entire haul. I just threw my hair back because during the summer I really like to do like a sleek ponytail and a really girly frilly dress. I just feel like it makes me look really fresh. Again, same backpack. It's just really flowy and frilly in this like natural cheetah print kind of spotted look. And then for shoes, I just paired it with the same clear ones. These are gonna be like my go-to shoes during the entire summer months. I just feel like they're so comfortable. Look at the bottom of this skirt portion. It's so like girly, and I just feel like it's girly and yet it's really toned down. It's not like over the top girly. I definitely love all of their styles. I find that Australian boutiques have a very similar vibe to California style, and of course, being like a Southern California native, I definitely think that it resonates with my style. And if you guys are going on holiday or vacation, I highly recommend checking out Beginning Boutique. I do love a lot of their pieces. It's just super casual. It's definitely got like a glam twist to each of the pieces, which I love. But yeah, those are all the outfits. I just want to say thank you guys for making it to the end of the video if you made it this far. Again, I really enjoyed all of these pieces for the most part. Some of the fit was a little bit off on the pieces that I picked, and it's always hard when you're shopping online to know exactly what your size is, especially with like conversion and everything. But I would recommend sticking to a US 6 in this brand because a lot of the pieces I picked were in a US size 8. So that's just something that if you are planning on shopping the site, I would recommend sizing down in your US size, because I like flex in between a 6 and an 8, but I should have known because the 6 is equivalent to a medium, but I just had this feeling like I would rather be able to alter the clothes later on versus like it being too tight on me. So that was kind of my thought process while I was picking out these pieces. But I hope you guys enjoyed again this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't started following me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter, then make sure you do so down below. But I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!